Let's talk about cheap Amazon parts for Jeeps and other vehicles. So a year ago, I started working on this Jeep, pulled it out of a field where it had been sitting, out of a yard where it had been sitting for years, and cut trees off of it. A tree had literally fell on it and smashed the soft top that was on it. We put cheap Amazon carburetor, cheap Chinese Amazon HEI ignition on it, replaced the fuel pump and the starter and the alternator, and we got the thing running, and it runs pretty good. It's wore out, a lot of blow by smoke, but it's running and it was cheap. So my thoughts on these carburetors. They work okay. I have a lot of problems trying to get it to idle right. It doesn't want to idle correctly. After it warms up especially, it just dies and you have to double foot it and play with it, and it won't adjust very good and stay adjusted. But it's a $50 carburetor, so it'll get you running. It's better than the carburetor that was on here. This Jeep had the electronic carburetor with the computer on it and the little, too complicated. So I ripped all that out, ripped all the wiring harness out. It had the electronic ignition on it that was all tied into the carburetor, and it's about as complicated a carburetor setup as you can get, so we simplified that a lot. I've been really impressed with the HEI ignition. I've not had any problems with it, and the starter's been good, alternator's been good. Fuel pumps. I have went through 7 different fuel pumps, every one of them a different manufacturer, and I have had nothing but trouble. This one has been good so far. I don't remember the brand. This one came from AutoZone, and it's made in Korea. That's all I know. It was the last one I tried, and it's been on there. All the other ones would always leak around the diaphragms or around the rod, and had a lot of problems with them leaking at the diaphragm. Some of them had just quit pumping. I went through 7 of them. I mean, it's supposed to be good ones. I went through Delphi, and I can't remember all the brands that I tried. Got them from Amazon, got them from O'Reilly's, and then this one came from AutoZone. So not had very good luck getting a dependable fuel pump for this Jeep until that one. That one's been on there about a year. It's been working okay. We haven't started this all winter. The battery's dead, or I would start it up for you. We'll see what we can do. I hooked it up to the jump box or the jump Dakota. Let's see if it'll fire. Where are my keys? She wants to go. Come on. Oh, she's been sitting for a few weeks, which I didn't drive her much. I drove her, pulled her around a little bit after we got her out from the winter storage. Well, she started right up the other day, and now she won't start at all. What? She fires up when you prime her. We're not getting no gas. Since I can't get a video of the Jeep running, let's just see a video of this Dodge motor running. Yeah, that's a 5.2 liter 318. It runs really good. Unlike this Jeep over here that will not run. Let's see if we can fix it. No. All right. Man, this inflation's getting out of control when it takes 20 gallons to fill up a 5-gallon gas tank. Out of control. I hate these gas cans. They're spill proof, don't you know? Let's see what she does. No better. Looks like another bad fuel pump. Boy, it's so aggravating. Come on. He's alive now. Now let's see if we can get back to making a video. Carburetor just idles pretty fast. Had to whack on the fuel pump. I think it just gummed up from sitting. All the wonderful world of ethanol fuel. But yeah, they run. If you want to use cheap parts, they'll probably be okay. You might not want to drive too far out of state with them, but hey, yeah, it smokes a little. Oh, let's go. Yeah, this Jeep's a piece of junk, but it's my piece of junk. Well, she runs good. You just gotta play with it. Setting over winter time, getting all the soot blowed out of it. Yep. Stuff you can tinker with them. Maybe we'll come across a better carburetor for this Jeep one day. And until then, we'll just do what we got to do, and we'll have a lot of fun this summer with this old Jeep. Oh look, a big Jeep ditch. Whee! A Jeep thing you wouldn't understand. Oops. All right. Y'all take care. Oh, we need a radiator cap. Steam coming out. I think I've learned more making this video than you did watching it. This is a piece of junk, but it's fun.